Something is shifting in your life. You feel it. You've been waiting, hurting, hoping, and now, I, the Lord your God, have a word for you. Child, I know your heart is weary, but listen closely. This is not the end of your story. You are not forgotten. I am speaking directly to you now. I am the one who called you before the foundation of the world. I have seen every struggle, every silent prayer, every tear that no one else saw. And I am telling you now, your season of drought is coming to an end. I will walk with you. I will lead you through the shadows and into the light of my provision. Your path may not always make sense, but my plans are perfect and filled with peace. You wonder how you'll get through this. But I am the God who parts seas and moves mountains. I am the one who multiplies what seems too little and brings water from dry ground. You will not be abandoned. In fact, I am already ahead of you, preparing places of peace, favor, and increase. You don't have to strive. Just remain close. Abide in me, and you will bear fruit. Fruit that lasts. I am opening doors that no one can shut. I am planting you like a tree by living waters. You will not wither. You will flourish. My blessing comes with purpose. It comes with peace. And it comes with my presence. What you thought was a setback, I will use as a setup, a foundation for something greater than you imagined. You are not small in my eyes. You are chosen. You are beloved. You are mine. Favor will surround you like a shield. Even in trials, I am growing you. Even in silence, I am speaking to your spirit. You will see goodness again. In your health, in your home, in your mind, and in your future. Do not chase what the world offers. My riches are eternal, and I will provide all you need in ways that will humble you. I am faithful. I have never failed, and I will not start now. Stay near to me. Rest in my promise. Let your hope rise again, because I am with you and I will never leave you.